I said I wasn't gonna do a TikTok shop update like every 2 minutes, and I feel like I have. It's been 8 days since the last one, but what I'm doing right now is I still haven't got the daily virals. I'm gonna get it today, but I kind of am in a groove with posting. Like I have um drafts that I've used and found from just things that are going viral, checking the dates on TikTok. So I don't think I need the daily virals yet. Once my drafts get thin and I feel like I'm not producing more and I'm stuck, I'll get it because I have the free codes. However, what I'm doing now is I had a manifestation. I have a manifestation to make 20 grand this month. I'm doing all the things I can to do it. So I'm not checking my TikTok shop money made until the end of the second month, which is the middle of May, May 17th and 18th. So that's why you're not going to get an update, honestly, until then, the May 17th or 18th. Now, posting every day on YouTube, trading is going well, all three things, 20K can come from anywhere, gifts, real estate, money, anything. However, I'm like, I don't even know look because I feel like I was checking it every 5 minutes throughout the day. I'm not, I'm just posting, I'm having fun. I'm posting on YouTube, I'm having fun, I'm trading, I'm having fun, I'm going to the gym, I'm having fun. And then in a month from now, I will look at the progress on all those, and there'll be 20K there. And there's not, we'll do the same thing the next month and next month until the 20K is there. So it's really where I'm at. So manifesting this journey with me, like I said, I just want to, everyone said the views are down there anyway. So hopefully in a month, all my videos I posted from last month are finally getting some traction. Or even if I have like consistent days at like just $100 a day, by next month, that's what, 3 grand, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it'll be a nice something there waiting for me. And I'm confident in that. There'll be something nice in there waiting for me and on YouTube. So life is great. Life is good. I got enough for my first YouTube payout already, which is nice. So we're just locking in. We're doing a thing. So share these videos with your friends. Comment things you want to see that's better. If you don't want to watch this, help me help you. Like, what do you want to see from me? And we're going to just keep knocking this TikTok shop thing down. And like I said, you have to enjoy the journey. At first, I got in for the money, and it does transition easily. Like, I'm easily now enjoying making videos. I'm enjoying doing things. Like, I recorded videos yesterday while taking my hair out for like on screen hooks. Like, it was just really cool. So that's where I'm at now, and I just want to knock it out and focus on just the videos, getting better at the videos, making better videos. That's the most important part. The money will come if the videos are good. So focus on the money and just making videos because you want the money. Focus on the videos and the money will come. So I will see y'all next month. Manifest it with me if you're a hater and you're praying on the downfall, whatever, loser. But it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Yes.